Hello children, good morning. I am your English teacher and in this video we will do English 1. Children, our new chapter 1 is My Family. Children, I think you all know what is a family. We with our parents and grandparents, or maybe some of you might be living with your uncle and aunt also. So these all members make a family. Okay children? Now let's start with the first page of this chapter. Open your page number 11. See children, this box is given. What you have to do? Paste a photograph of your family. What you have to do children? In this box you have to paste a photograph of your family members. Whoever members are living with you at your home, you have to paste their photographs. Okay? Now let's start the chapter. Read and enjoy. Look into your book, everyone. Tia and Rohan are laying the breakfast table. What Tia and Rohan are doing? They are laying the breakfast table, means they are preparing the breakfast table. It's breakfast time. When is the breakfast time, children? Early in the morning. Okay, so it's breakfast time and Tia and Rohan, both are siblings, they are preparing the breakfast table. Now see, Rohan, mom is busy in the kitchen. Let's lay the breakfast table. Mom will be very happy to see it. Tia is a girl and she is saying to her brother that mom is busy in the kitchen. Why? She is preparing the breakfast. Okay, so in the meantime the children should prepare the breakfast table. Then what will happen? Mom will be very happy to see it. They thought कि if they will prepare the table, their mom will be happy. Oh yes, she loves us so much. Rohan also said, yes, mom loves us so much. Their mother loves them too much. Now children, turn the page. Page number 12. Tia and Rohan come for breakfast. Now children, breakfast is ready and mother is calling both the children. Yes mom, we are coming, Tia said. Tia heard her mother and she said कि they are coming. Tia and Rohan are sitting at the table. Now both the children are on the breakfast table. Mom, is there no coconut water today? Now Tia saw that there is no coconut water on the table. So she asked her mother if there is coconut water or not. Sorry, there is no coconut water today. You can have orange juice. I am sure you will like it. Now what mother replied? Mother replied with a sorry because coconut water is not available. But in place of coconut water, she has kept orange juice and she told that children will like it also. Now again turn the page. Mom, dad is calling you. Now Rohan came to his mother and said, dad is calling her. why are you late for the breakfast? Now mom asked that why he was late for the breakfast, why he is not on the breakfast table. I can't find my bag. Where is it? I am getting late for office. What dad replied? Dad said that he was finding his bag. That's why he is late. And he was searching his bag. That's why he was late for the breakfast, and he will also be late for the office. Okay, I will look for the bag. Please have your breakfast. Their mother said she will search the bag. In the meantime, dad should take the breakfast. Okay, said the dad. After breakfast, Tia and Rohan go to say goodbye to their grandparents. Now, Tia and Rohan, they have done their breakfast. Now they are ready for the school. So, before going to school, they went to their grandparents to say goodbye. Bye, Grandpa. Bye, Grandma. See you in the afternoon. Rohan and Tia both said goodbye to their grandparents, their grandma and grandpa. See you in the afternoon. Now, after school, they will return in the afternoon. Tia and Rohan are very happy. They have a loving family. See, children, Tia and Rohan are very happy children. Why? Because they have a loving family. Loving family means a family in which each member loves each other. I love my parents and grandparents. We are a happy family. What do you think, Rohan? Again, here Tia is saying that she loves her parents and grandparents, and they are a happy family. After that, she is asking Rohan that what he thinks. Rohan replied, "Oh yes, we are a happy family." Children, Rohan is also agree, and he said that they have a happy family. Now children, this was your chapter. Now I have given some difficult words for you. First one is breakfast. BREAKFAST, breakfast. Second one is laying. LAYING. Third is kitchen. KITCHEN. Fourth is busy. BUSY. Fifth one is coconut. COCONUT. Next is juice. JUICE. Seventh one is sure. SURE. Eighth, office. OFFICE. Ninth is please. PLEASE. And last one is afternoon. 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 Now children, you have to learn all these difficult words. Okay? Now bookwork I have also given. Question number A is, who said these words? Some sentences are given. You have to say who has said these lines. First one is, let's lay the breakfast table. Mom will be happy to see it. Children, who said these lines? Tia. So you have to write Tia in the space given. Second one, Tia and Rohan come to the breakfast table fast. Who said these lines? Yes, Mom. Third one is, I can't find my bag. Who said these lines? Dad. Okay, children? So write as I have written. Now question number B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Help box is given. Words are given. Now you have to choose the correct word and fill the sentences. First one is Dash and Tia are laying the breakfast table. Who is laying the breakfast table? Rohan and Tia. Second one, you can have dash juice. Which juice they could have? Orange juice. I am getting late for the dash. What we will write here? I am getting late for the office. So children, this was your chapter. Do it. Now some homework I have given. First one is read the lesson with correct pronunciation. Children, you have to read the lesson again and again with correct pronunciation. Okay? Every word should be clear. Do page number 15 in book carefully. Page number 15 I have done. I have given to you. Now just see and fill in your book. And third one is paste picture of your family members on page number 11 in the book. I told you earlier also, a box is given where you have to paste picture of your family members. So you have to do it. Please do it carefully, children. Thank you.